Hey there everyone, this is Mike Thomas here at MikeFromMaine.com. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review of a product called Designo Pro that I did an interview with Todd Gross about yesterday. That was episode 926, Fire Your Designer, Never Pay for Ugly Graphics Ever Again. In this interview we talked about how Todd and his team have created a software that's going to allow you to create images that will work inside of your video editing software. You can use them in your marketing, for your Facebook ads, for your YouTube, all the different ways that you want to do marketing in easy to use software that's cloud-based. That's right. That means that you don't have to use this on a desktop. You don't need to have it as a software on your Windows or your Mac. It actually works in the cloud for you, so no clunky software to slow down your computer. In this review, I'm going to be going through showing you the sales page, the demo, also showing you the OTOs, so you can make the decision on whether or not this is right for you. Also, this goes live starting at 11 a.m. Eastern on Wednesday, May 10th. There will be an early bird discount, so if you're going to get it, you want to get in there early. Plus, I was able to get you guys some really cool bonuses as well, including here white label rights to VidConnect, hashtag Genius as well, white label rights for those so you can actually resell those, plus these other bonuses as well. Just send me over your PayPal receipt and you'll get all of those bonuses. Okay, let's go over and take a look at the sales page together. It says here, fire your designer, never pay for ugly graphics ever again. New cloud technology app lets you create unlimited stunning designs using revolutionary vector technology. Now this whole vector technology, what that means is that normally with pixel technology, that's what these older softwares have used. When you try to change the size, when you try to make it bigger, when you try to make it useful in your other forms of marketing, the images actually end up looking funny. With the vector technology, you can make it as big as a billboard, as big as the moon, and it will still look good. The technology allows you to make it bigger, and the mathematical formulas actually make it so that it all keeps on enlarging in ratio to each other. So I don't know the math behind it, but all I know is that it looks good in any form. And that's what makes this so cool. You can use it for your websites, your videos, your offline businesses, etc. Completely done for you. High converting graphics with designer level quality in 60 seconds flat. You're going to be able to design them inside of the software, and it even has done for you templates inside there as well. The important part of this is what Todd was explaining to me, is that you can actually use these inside of some of the graphic softwares out there like Explaindio. So if you bought any of these graphic softwares, this is perfect for you. Or sorry, when I say graphic software, I mean like video editing graphic software. So if you bought any video editing softwares, this is going to be perfect for you to be able to go in there and add images to your videos. It's cloud-based here, revolutionary designed architecture, 500 built-in vector templates included inside of this, ready-made designs for your needs, drag and drop editor, full integration, like I said, with video creators, the SVG vectors, for those of you that understand that. It works for video creators like Explaindio and Easy Sketch Pro if you've bought one of those softwares. One-click export, and then it has some pro features built right into it. And this is designed by marketers for marketers. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you over and actually show you a quick little walkthrough inside so you can understand exactly what this does.
Hi, it's Todd here. I'm going to take you inside Designo. So first things first, it's web-based, it's all cloud. You can access it anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection. Now I'm just going to log into Designo. The first thing you're going to see are 3 simple steps. Select the template, edit it, and export it to printable infinite resolution. Now there is a huge list of categories like flyers, banners, infographics, book covers, buttons, cartoons, and more. Let's just browse in these categories to explore some amazing designs. The unique thing about Designo are the gorgeous templates, and most importantly, these are all in vector. It means that these can be exported for printable and full HD resolution without losing any quality whatsoever. So once you are done selecting your design, just click on it and take it to the Designo editor. Once you are in Designo, there are infinite possibilities to what you can do. You could play with texts, interact with objects, choose between colors, convert the design suited for your business. And the best part is that you could do all this stuff regardless of your technical skills. You see, we created Designo in such a way that you don't need to pay those expensive designers anymore. So let's get started. All right, so let's say I have a business of selling pizzas. I love pizza. And I need a flyer for that. Now, I'm going to use Designo to change this design to my business needs with simple clicks. Let's begin. Just double-click on any text to change it to whatever you need. I'm going to just change it to pizza. Now there are possibilities to change the fonts to any font in this wild font list. You could also change the font size, but this suits our needs well. You can also rotate the text, but here we don't need to do that. You could also change the opacity, the transparency of anything, and also add blur effects, just that easily. And of course you could add stroke. Now stroke is the outline of anything. Okay, text looks good. Let's change the background to something in the red tone. So I'm just going to change its color. Just click this color setting menu on the left and select something in the red shade. And definitely I would have to change the text outline to something darker for visibility, right? I'm just going to delete these objects here. Select these objects. It's a simple drag it down here and drag this text a bit lower as well. Okay, let's add an image of a pizza. Obviously, I can add any image from my computer just pressing this import image button. Drag and drop to adjust the image position and size. I mean, it's really impressive that you could directly select any object and change its color to whatever you want with that ease. And you can also, well, use the eyedropper tool to select a specific color on the canvas objects. So just select an object, click on the eyedropper tool, and click on whatever color you want. Designo really makes things simpler for everybody. Just a few clicks, drag and drop, and you're done. You could also save the project in case you want to save your work for future use, and load it whenever you need to resume the work from where you left off. There's a wide range of pre-built icons and shapes in the Designo, so that you don't have to bother for these, well, little things at all. Just click on a shape and click and drag. Now, there's an interesting feature. You can import your vector designs as well. Just click Import Image button and add your SVG vector file. A lot of you have those. Now, this is part of the design and completely editable. Just double-click on the imported design to edit it further. Let's just delete this now. We don't need it. If you want to add custom text, definitely you can click on the text tool and click on the canvas and add your custom text. Let's drag it here and change the color to something darker. You can see for yourselves, it's very simple. You could adjust the order of the elements by just selecting them and pressing right click. You can send them anywhere you want, front, back, your choice. You could also do it from the top, adjust order option. There's an option to share your design to Facebook. From here, you could go back to the template selection. And of course, the shortcut keys are there to help you out. Now, once you are done with the design, just click Project and click Export PNG. And here you go. This is your full HD resolution design ready to be used. You can use them for printing and web purposes, of course, as well. Now, there are loads of designs in there, really stunning infographics for your websites. Cartoon characters are always fun to have, and these banners, they're really something, aren't they? We are adding more and more designs and categories as we speak. We aim to make Designo a hub for free graphic resource. And you know what? We have made it so simple that anybody can use it regardless of their technical skills. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.
So there you go, guys. You can see the quick little demo there. Let me bring you over here. There are 3 OTOs that are going to go along with this. So the first OTO that's completely optional is going to give you done-for-you graphics each month. It's going to give you the developer's license. Oh, there we go, that video. It's got the developer's license and the ability to instantly create millions of images with this using Pixabay. So it's going to have all that. This is going to be a monthly or a bi-yearly option for that. Again, completely optional for you, but it's going to just give you a bunch of extra features with this to give you even more power, especially that developer's license, so you can go out there and actually resell the images that you create this with this to your clients on places like Fiverr and Upwork, etc. there. So you can go out there and do that. Again, this is an optional upgrade. The second one is the agency resell license. This means that you can go out there and actually resell the software to your customers like it's your own and keep 100% of the profit. So that's going to include the marketing pages, the sales videos, the members area, all that. All you have to do is go out there, and once you get your sale, you get 100% of the commission there. With that, you can get 50 client license, or you can get a 250 client license for reselling this. Again, this isn't for everyone, but it's going to be for people who understand the power of having your own products. And the last one here is a separate software called ConvertPix that lets you go out there and actually add buy buttons, opt-in forms, and videos right on the top of your images. So this is just a cool feature, a way that you can take the images that you create and be able to monetize them using the power of this software. It's a pretty neat feature. Again, it's an optional software that you can use right alongside your purchase here. So again, this is an optional upgrade. So what do I like about this and what don't I like about this? Well, if I had to say something that I don't like about it, I wish the developer license was included on the front end offer, but you guys know how this works. It's an upgrade for you there. So it's going to be one of those things that you do have to upgrade to get that. What do I like about this? I think, especially if you pick up the developer OTO 1, you're going to be able to go out there and actually create these different images for yourself or your clients. It's a great tool to have in your toolbox. It's a great alternative to other expensive software that's out there that's a lot harder to use. Trust me, I've been doing this for a long time, and when I try to use the more well-known ones with my marketing, it can definitely be a hard learning curve. Or, of course, you don't have to buy any of these softwares, and you can outsource it and pay a designer to do it for you. We sometimes pay upwards of $1,000 per month for graphics to a designer. It'd be nice if you're on a budget, you obviously don't want to spend that money, and you can actually do it yourself instead. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. Remember, this goes live starting at 11 a.m. Eastern on Wednesday, May 10th. If you're going to get it early. I don't want you to pay more for it. I'd love for you to get that early bird discount. Also, make sure you send over your receipt to me, and I'll be sure to send over all of your different bonuses, including white label rights to VidConnect and #Genius. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later on today with another interview. Thanks.